Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to remove quantity selector button on Shopify cart page. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open or add any product on the cart. So open this product, click on the add to cart. Before that, you see there is a make an inquiry button with animation with pop-up contact from. I already published the video guideline on my YouTube channel how you can add this inquiry button with pop-up from without any loading Asta page or go to the external link. Also there have a contract now button, payment icon. So you will find all the tutorials on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to check out it. Okay, for now I'm just going to click on the add to cart. There is another option, you see, and here is the cart page. I'm going to the cart page and we wanted to remove this quantity selector. Okay, to do this, simply right click on your mouse, then select inspect and then select inspect element selector. Click on it. When you click on it, it will be a highlight or show different color like from gray to green, and I'm going to select this one. Looks very carefully. Yes, quantity selector. Let me find out. Okay, click on this plus icon, then write display none and simply add important. Very simple. Now put your mouse on here and right click of your mouse, select copy rule and go back your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit code, open base.css file, base, open base.css file, scroll down, paste it, click on the save, asset save. Now go back our cart page and reload. Wow, it's working. So you see, we have done very simply without any previous coding skill or any technical knowledge. You can do it by following this video guideline without spending a lot of time by watching a long video of others YouTube channel. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.